Today we are looking at marginal profits. So as we have already talked about marginal cost, marginal profit is also a type of marginal analysis, right? So marginal profit is mostly similar to that of or same to that of marginal cost. So if you really understand the marginal cost, you will be able to also solve marginal profit questions with ease. So in this tutorial, I am going to reuse the example that we use for the marginal cost to solve for marginal profits. This means that I'm going to restructure the question in such a way that we are going to now find the marginal profits and the average marginal profits, or the average profits. So marginal profits is also known as incremental profits, right? That is incremental profits. It's also known as incremental profit, and it is the additional profit earned from producing or selling one additional unit of a product or a service, just like the cost, marginal cost we did earlier. So it represents the difference between the marginal revenue and the marginal cost, right? So when you have a marginal cost and you have your marginal revenue, right? The difference between the marginal cost and then the marginal revenue, it's what we call the incremental profit or the marginal profit. Let's see something here. Let's assume that you have a manufacturing company, and that manufacturing company at the end of the year, they have a particular revenue that they generate from the company. And aside that, during their production, they also basically incurred some costs. And the cost that was incurred when producing one additional unit of item, it's what we call marginal cost. So they incurred some cost, right? And same as since they incurred some cost, when they finish the product and they sell, they are also going to get profit. So in that case, if you have the marginal cost and then you have the marginal revenue, right? The difference between these two functions is going to give us the marginal profit. So just take note of them. The difference between the marginal revenue, which is your revenue for the year, minus the cost that you incur to give us your profit. So it's basically the same as what you are doing or you're already doing in class. So in other words, I can say that it measures the rate of change in total profits as output or sales level changes, right? So similar to marginal cost, as I said earlier on, marginal profit is derived from calculus techniques by taking the derivative of the total profit, right? So when you have your total profit like this, you have your total profits, the marginal cost or the marginal profit is being derived from this total profit. So if my total profit is equal to P and my marginal profit is equal to MP, then having my total profits, the derivative of this total profits is going to give me my marginal profit, which is also equal to P prime of X, depending on the variable being used, right? So based on this, if you are given the marginal profit, which is MP, or you can write it P prime of X. If you are given this marginal profit and they are asking to find the total profit, what you need to do is to find the integral of the marginal profit to get back your total profits. So that is similar as we did in marginal cost. So by analyzing your marginal profits, you will be able to make an informed decision regarding pricing, product level, and also resource allocation as well. So maximizing your marginal profit is a key objective for those who will be going into real-time business after here or after school. So as it's indicated, the level of output or sales that leads to the highest incremental profits. So if you compare the incremental benefit and the cost associated with the item that you are producing in addition to what you are doing, you as a businessman, you can optimize your operations and also maximize your profitability. So having understand how we can generate our total profits, or we can get our total profit function from our given our marginal profit function, we will move straight forward in solving some examples. So see you in my next video.